What's the meaning of close-knit? Close-knit. Close-knit.
Close-knit. Close-knit. Close-knit means a group of people or things that are closely connected and work well together, forming a tight and strong bond. This term describes a group that shares a deep sense of trust, loyalty, and mutual support. Such a group is often characterized by its members' willingness to help each other in times of need, combined with their consistently high level of communication and cooperation. This type of relationship can lead to a heightened level of productivity and success due to the team's ability to function as a cohesive unit.